I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 것을 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 약속을 부드럽게 미루는 표현을 배워요.
Here's my problem. In English, I can say, sorry, today won't work. But in Korean, I worry it sounds too blunt.
좋은 질문이에요. Korean often sounds kinder when you say it indirectly, like 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요.
So not just 오늘 안 돼요. That feels like nope, can't.
맞아요. 오늘 안 돼요. is understandable, but it can feel abrupt. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요. gives the other person more cushion.
오늘의 패턴은 을 것 같아요. In English, it means I think it will, it seems, or it looks like.
with 어렵다, to be difficult, we say 어려울 것 같아요. Literally, it seems it will be difficult. Naturally, I don't think I can.
That's interesting. 어려워요 is it's difficult, but 어려울 것 같아요 is softer, like it may be difficult.
맞아요. And for plans, 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요. Sounds very natural.
오늘은 means as for today. 은 marks the topic. We are talking about today, and saying today is difficult.
Now hear it in a full canceling message. 죄송해요. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요.
죄송해요 means I'm sorry. Before canceling, this small apology makes the message polite and clear.
A soft reason is helpful too. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요 means something came up suddenly.
So I can say, 죄송해요. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요.
좋아요. But don't stop there. If you still want to meet, add a clear offer to reschedule.
다음 주에 만날까요 means shall we meet next week? It is friendly and gives the other person a next step.
I like that. Apology, reason, soft cancel, then new time.
Exactly. In Korean, this flow sounds considerate, not dramatic.
Let's unpack the feeling. 오늘은 어려워요 can sound more final. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요 leaves room and sounds softer.
So it's like English, I can't versus I don't think I can.
네. And because this is about a plan, 어려울 것 같아요 does not mean the day is academically hard. It means the plan is hard to do.
Now listen to a short dialogue. Shung-ho has to postpone, but he offers a new time clearly. 오늘 저녁에 만날까요?
죄송해요. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요. 다음 주에 만날까요?
네, 좋아요. 다음 주에 만나요.
That felt polite because Juno didn't just cancel. He gave a reason and suggested next week.
맞아요. If you only say 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요, it is polite, but it may leave the other person wondering what to do next.
Repeat after me slowly. 죄송해요.
죄송해요.
좋아요. Next. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요.
갑자기 일이 생겼어요.
잘했어요. Now the key line. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요.
오늘은 어려울 것 같아요.
완벽해요. Last part. 다음 주에 만날까요?
다음 주에 만날까요?
Now put it together. 죄송해요. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요. 다음 주에 만날까요?
죄송해요. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요. 다음 주에 만날까요?
Here is the common mistake. 길라서 집에 칭하자 마가상하자 한 건데 English speakers sometimes translate I can't today too directly as 오늘 못 만나요.
오늘 못 만나요 is not wrong, right? It just needs softening.
맞아요. Add 죄송해요. Add a reason if appropriate. And add 다음 주에 만날까요 if you want to reschedule.
Also, avoid over-explaining if the reason is private. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요. is enough in many everyday situations.
Mini check. You still want to meet your friend, but today no longer works. Which message sounds most natural and polite?
I'm choosing B. It has the apology, the soft line, and the new suggestion.
정답은 B예요. A is understandable but short. C means I don't like today, so it sounds strange or rude. B is soft and clear.
One more check. Which reason is a natural general way to say something came up?
A. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요.
맞아요. A is natural. then 일이 생겼어요 means a matter came up. We do not say 일이 만들었어요 here. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요는 I don't think today will work 라는 부드러운 표현이에요.
둘째, 죄송해요를 먼저 말하면 더 공손해요. In English, start with I'm sorry to make the cancellation feel considerate.
셋째, 갑자기 일이 생겼어요는 아주 자연스러운 이유예요. In English, it means something suddenly came up.
넷째, 다시 만나고 싶으면 다음 주에 만날까요처럼 3시간을 제한하세요. In English, give a clear next option.
My keeper sentence is 죄송해요. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요. 다음 주에 만날까요?
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 오늘은 어려울 것 같아요.
다음 시간에는 새 날짜와 시간을 더 자연스럽게 제한하는 법을 배워요. 코리안 라더였습니다.